guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be opening cars again. And the first one we're going to be opening is... just forget the name. So what I like about this car is that it has no doors, and there's not like a full thing around the wheel that's going from layer to layer. It's just there. And you can put stuff in the back, like a bunch of other cars. And the next one we're going to be opening is a Moto Wing. So what I like about this car is that you sit right there, but on this side, I think someone can put a seat and someone else sit there. And that's a crazy car. And the third one we're going to be opening is a 69 Camaro. So what I like about this car is that the windows are yellow and it has whatever this is. Motor like showing, and it has a bunch of colors on it. And it has these thruster things. And the last one we're going to be opening is a Dodge van. Why does it seem Hot Wheels is more harder to open now? So what I like about this car is it's silver, and it says Hot Wheels Super Motors. Super Chrome, I mean. And that the windows are like blue, dark blue. It says Dodge and the wheels are orange. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, and subscribe. Bye!